Hello everyone, welcome to this Solotica Avela versus Ocre or Ocre review. So my left eye is the Solotica Ocre, I'm just going to call it Ocre, and my right eye is the Solotica Avela. As you can see, these lenses are extremely similar, but there are a few differences, or I should say just really one main difference. So both these lenses have the exact same design pattern. They both have a starburst pupil hole to blend with an iris, so really great pupil hole blending. It gives a lens lots of realism and it makes the contact lens look so much more natural when the pupil hole is blended. They both do not have a limbal ring because HIDROCOR style. They are both one solid color gradient. There's no other colors going on or undertones or any other overlaying of different patterning or anything like that. I really love the simple patterning. It's a smooth color gradient with fine pixelation, and then there are streaks to mimic an iris, and that's changes in opacity, and that again adds to the realism of these lenses. So the Ocre has more of a warm tone, and I find that the Ocre is a little bit brighter in person. I don't know why it's not picking up as much on film, but I do find in person they are a little bit brighter than the Avela. So if you want the brighter lenses, go with the Ocre. And the Ocre has more of an orange warm undertone, whereas the Avela has more of a sandy brown grayish undertone. So if you want to go with the lenses that are going to suit you the most based on your skin tone, if you have a warmer skin tone, tanned, olive, or darker skin, or a yellow undertone to your skin like me, the Ocre is more warm, so it'll complement you more. The Avela is more suited to cooler skin tones, so if you have a fair skin or your skin has more of like a pink undertone, then the Avela would suit you better. Other than that, that's really the only difference I see. From a normal talking distance, I really don't see a dramatic or significant difference, so don't sweat it too much when you're trying to debate between these two. Both these lenses are extremely beautiful, bright, vibrant, and they are some of Solotica's most natural colors. I think these are two of the best lenses in their HIDROCOR collection, in my opinion. They're both available in prescription, they both last a year, and you can buy them on either lens.me or Vision Marketplace. I have a coupon code for both. It's Danica10 to save you money. I'll link both below so you can compare prices and shipping. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!